my everyday, easy, quick mom makeup. I do lots of fun makeup. If you look at my page, there's all kinds of fun designs and creative makeup looks that I do. Just regular makeup. So this is what I do like on a regular day. Excuse the breakout. I don't know what's happening there. I usually do it in stages so that like skincare can dry. So before I took my son to school, I did a little facial spray. That's the Badescu facial spray. And then I did a little bit of the Smashbox resurface. I'm trying to work on a few spots and I'm trying to resurface, testing this out. It's a primer. I want to do an eye cream. This is one of my favorites. It's the Rock Skincare. It's a Duel eye cream. And this one, I like it because I actually feel it doing something. Like I feel the tightening happening. I have these like hangy baggy eye mom bags, face cream, some sort of hydration, and then SPF, an Elemis day cream. I'm gonna get that going. And then we also need an SPF. If you're really in a hurry, I found this a long time ago. It's super lightweight, quick, easy. Obviously it's like a mist. Hawaiian Tropic 70 weightless hydration. Look, done. Easy, right? And it smells nice. I'm 48 years old, so I do have some like sunspots and age spots that I like to cover up. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fullwear. I already put some acne stuff on earlier, but this is just spot correction. I'll either do it with my finger or a sponge usually. Tap it in. The next thing I do is I do my little concoction. So a little L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Get a little hit of that. I'm going to do some IT Cosmetics CC+. So you're making just a little, one squirt of that, and then a little Iconic liquid highlighter, one drop of that. And then I'm just going to smear it on with your hands. We don't have time. You got to hurry up. Just get it on there to look like you're not asleep. Even though you probably feel like it. Make sure you get those ears and hit that neck. A little makeup tip. I keep baby wipes down here just for that reason when I smear stuff with my hands or whatever. For concealer, I like to do a brighter one for my inner corner and on my eyelids. I've got all these blood vessels that I like to cover up. This is one size. This concealer is a LYS and it's closer to my skin color to give another hit on some of those, either a blemish or the sunspots that I'm trying to cover. We're almost done. We've got some e.l.f. contour. I'm just going to get a little hit. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh, that one was too light. I like the darker one. Oh, yeah. Just get that going. Do just a little bit on the nose. I do a little across. Give me the button nose that I don't have. And then I also do a little bit on the eyes, so I don't have to do as much eyeshadow. And then a little here for my over 40 people, just to kind of help with that sharp. Bridgerton just started by itself. I paused it. What the heck? So now we're starting to come to life. Yeah. See? And you can do a hit here and then a little down behind that neck muscle just to kind of sculpted. Okay, I just got this liquid blush Jeffree Star in a mystery box. It's a little pale. I haven't tried that yet. Old sponge. I know I need to clean it or get a new one, but whatever. You know you use old sponges too. Now, if I don't have time for this, then I would just do a powder blush and be done with it. That is pretty, Jeffree. Thank you. Peach Escape. I'm also going to use a little Jeffree setting powder. I've been using this one a lot lately. It's the Rose powder, but it doesn't even really look like pink or anything. I mean, it's barely. Notice I don't do any like baking or whatever. We got all this business here. We don't need extra like creasing and all that. We just do just a little bit. If I have the time, I'll probably add a little bit of powder blush. I come from a very blushy family. Brows lately, I've been using either one of these. If I have time to put purple in there, I'll do purple eyeshadow and then just a clear gel. If I don't, then I'll use the brow wax that's got brown. So that's what we're doing today. But it's actually got color in it. And it holds. Q-tip for any cleanup. Oh, I just hit my elbow. And then I can use the other end to kind of like direct if there's any that get squirrely. I'm literally just going to do one little hit of eyeshadow on there. Natural-ish. Get a little short stubby brush with a darker color and go under and then kind of fake an eyeliner a little bit just around the edges there. Just kind of fashion some eyeliner before I do my mascara. I'll do the new e.l.f. setting mist. I love the fine mist. I've got green on. We'll do a little green highlighter for our inner corner. Just ring finger. This is a Luxby Aesthetics. See? Just a little pop. Lip oil. This is a Boss Up Cosmetics, the one that changes your lips pink. Rare Beauty mascara. And then that's it. Have y'all tried this mascara? I love it. It's so good. That's it. That's the quick and easy mom look. This is kind of just what I do every day if I'm actually wearing makeup and in a hurry, as usual. And if we're going to be honest, my hair is usually up in a bun. If you know what this shirt is from, then we should be friends. My name is Amber Wood. Bye!